How to choose a mentor. Have you ever considered getting a mentor to accelerate your growth? Accelerate your growth in business, in self-development, or anything else you're looking to get good at? Well, I'm going to share with you a process today that will allow you to choose mentors, especially in business, especially for business-related skills, and choose mentors wisely. Because the people you associate with and people whose advice you listen to, those people are crucial to your growth. And if you choose the wrong person for the wrong reason, you're gonna spend basically 6 to 12 months, sometimes 18 months, sometimes 5 years, doing the wrong things and learning them the wrong way, learning skills the wrong way. So what you really want to do is have a good process, a good structure, and a set of principles to choose mentors properly. Now, I'll be straightforward with this. Most mentors that are worth the money, time, and everything and opportunity cost, they're not really in the limelight that much. They're not like mainstream people that are talking about mainstream topics. Usually mentors are fairly niche experts with a broad knowledge, and they are not really on Instagram with an expensive car saying, I am a mentor. Most mentors that are successfully mentoring students with real results and high success rates are not like that at all. They're outside of the limelight. They're a little bit in the back end. You can still find them, but usually through referrals. And that's the number one way to find mentors. If you have close friends or family that have gone through a mentorship program or are being mentored and they have specific results that are directly attributable to the exact things that the mentor taught them, then usually that's a good mentor. So that's not the only way to find a mentor. If you don't have such friends who can prove to you and guarantee you that the exact thing that the mentor taught them got them the exact results that they wanted, if that's not the case, there are other ways, okay? So here's a few ways to recognize a good mentor. They don't talk about themselves as much as they talk about their clients and the specific processes that their clients follow to get specific results. Now, this is not some emotional, hypey, let's do this business model thing. I'm talking about very specific niche skills, very specific niche subjects, very specific niche business models and such. And I'm talking about people that talk about detailed things, detailed skills, detailed explanations on how to achieve such results. Not fluffy, just mindset things and stuff like that, but core principles, core fundamentals. Here's what to do to get the result. Here are the next exact steps to get the next result, and so on. So not, oh, I got this result, and here's proof by the car that I rented, and here's a pretty girl, and here's some other thing that I'm gonna show to you on video to make me stand out on social media. That's not an automatic indicator that the person is successful or that they would be a good mentor. Mentorship requires coaching, and coaching is a skill, okay? Someone who got a certain result or is showing a certain result may have not even gotten the result because of the thing they're teaching. So especially in business, what you want to be doing is you want to find a more underground person who doesn't have too many people that he's working with, because business tends to be, like how do you do something that not too many people do so you don't have too much competition? And if you do have a lot of competition, how do you do it in a way that's not too common, that's not millions or thousands or tens of thousands of people are doing, but maybe hundreds maximum? How do you find someone like that? Because that tends to work better. The more people do the same type of business, the same type of business model, the same type of sales process, the less effective it becomes. How many times have you heard the words breakthrough session or consultation session or anything like that? We all know what it is. It's a sales call, right? And that's because mentors teach this, and that's fine and it works. However, once a certain number of people in a certain industry start doing the same exact process, it all becomes a matter of who can do it a little bit cheaper, who can do it a little bit better, and it's not really a matter of how can you build a business in this niche quickly and efficiently. Now, not all businesses are built quickly and efficiently, so a lot of businesses take time, and that's fine. And certainly you should have the expectation of being in business for many years before you achieve amazing results. But to get your first results, if you have a full-time job, it certainly helps to have results within a month or two, because then you can, you have proof that you're actually working on something that works for yourself. So have you ever considered starting an online agency? Well, this is one of the better business models these days. So I have an interview today for you with an expert. He spent $2.9 million on ads for his clients, so he knows what he's doing with Facebook ads. And if you'd like to see his interview, an expert who really knows his stuff and talks about the nitty-gritty stuff of Facebook ads and his agency, take a look at this video right here. And also, I'd like you to click, before you go, click the subscribe button below with the bell notification icon so that we can stay in touch. So other than that, click on the video and I'll see you in the next video.